Hey credit cousins, in today's video I will go over some fundamentals you must have while doing credit repair. So let's talk about some tips you should have during a successful credit repair, whether you're doing it yourself or hiring someone else to do it. Number one, you must read everything. This goes with dispute letters, disputing responses from credit bureaus, credit repair company contracts, DIY credit repair materials, emails, anything that pertains to your credit score, credit profile, credit repair process. Read it thoroughly and try to really understand it. If you are unaware of something, try to research it first and try to get opinions from forums or YouTube channels. Try to get some type of understanding. In most cases, forums have people who are experienced or someone who has been through the same situation. Number two, if you are in credit repair with a credit repair company, you must be very active and listen to instructions. The credit repair company can only work as much as you actively participate, so make sure you give active participation. Number three, you must maintain a good credit monitoring system so you can always rely on updates. I would not recommend Credit Karma. Some may say it works for updates when knowing when something gets updated on your profile, but it's very important to know the scoring is not accurate due to it being a Vantage score model and not a FICO score modeling, which most lenders use. Sometimes everything will not be for free and you may have to go to like MyFICO. If you are going through credit repair with a credit repair company, you should have monitoring set up for each month so you can get updates for yourself of how the credit repair disputing is going. Persistence. You must stay persistent in communicating with credit bureaus, creditors, and always check your credit reports and even make sure you are paying on time. Number five, financial responsibility. If you don't do anything on this list, make sure you do this. Honestly, this is the biggest thing that you must do. You must do this during credit repair and after credit repair. Financial responsibility will help you a lot and it will keep your credit on track. Number six, do not be lazy. It's simple. Don't be lazy towards your financial goals and responsibilities. Your life depends on it, and lazy could mean unwilling to learn and following the steps to repairing your credit. Number seven, you must develop patience. To be quite honest, credit repair success will not happen overnight. There may be some methods like inquiry removals overnight, but the real credit repair, when removing negative, derogatory items off your credit report, will not happen overnight. And it's very important to know each credit profile and success story will be different from others. Patience is a virtue. Number eight, try not to have itchy fingers. What I like to say itchy fingers is as soon as you get your new credit score, you are in a rush to apply for multiple credit cards. And you may see that your points will go up a few points and you start applying for more credit and more credit and more credit. Try to be limited with your credit cards as soon as you repair your credit. Okay, the goal is to repair your credit and stay with a good credit score, not to repair your credit and get back into bad debt. So you don't need as many credit cards as you think you may need when starting out. Credit building takes a process. You don't need 10 credit cards in 1 year. That's insane. So make sure you don't get those itchy fingers in trying to apply for a lot of credit cards. Number nine, if you are seeking help from a credit repair company or specialize in it, you must be coachable and willing to listen to their expertise. A lot of information in credit repair can be found on the internet, but a lot of information won't pertain to you. And sometimes it can be case by case with every person. So a person with expertise who had experience with multiple case by case scenario day to day will be able to help you right away without you spending hours of long research research and repairing your credit. Number 10, following instructions. In most cases during credit repair, a lot of disputing and being in contact with creditors and credit bureaus, you must know how to follow instructions. Following simple instructions can save you time and hassle. So I hope these tips can help you during your credit repair, and I wish you many success in your credit journey. Make sure to binge watch my Navy Federal playlist and Unlocking the Code with Credit playlist to learn more gems and tips on how to build and repair your credit on your own. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, in collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.